Hello and welcome to Isimio. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to use our mobile app. Before I start, keep in mind that some of you might have a version of our app that looks a little bit different or does some unique things. Also, the way the app looks may change over time. This video should still remain a good guide. To get access to the app, ask your employer to register you. You'll receive an email with a link where you can set your password. Log in with your email address and password to reach this homepage. From top to bottom, the first thing that we see is the shift confirmation button. This shows up shortly before your next shift starts and lets your employer know that you'll be coming into work today. You only need to press it once a day and then it goes away. I'll press it now. Next are the details of my upcoming shift. My shift starts at 1:30 and I'll be driving for our client, Edge Communications. Their address is right underneath and I can press this line to open up my Maps app and get directions. Beneath the address is my list of tasks for the day. When I do something, I just tap the row to mark it as complete. I can press the back button on my phone or the home button from the menu to get back to where I was. I can also take photos and send them to the office by pressing Capture Photo. The last line that says Not Started is how I can start my shift. I just tap it like this. Now, you might be asked to allow the app to use your location. Although you don't have to submit a location reading, some employers require it, so ask your manager before you deny access. This reading is only used to make sure that you are where you're expected to be. Your location is not tracked beyond pressing this button. Now that I've started my shift, I can press this button again at the end of the day to finish it. The next section lets me report illnesses. Reporting an illness makes it easier for your manager to find a replacement for you, but please speak to them to confirm what their decision is. I'm going to press I'm not well to report my illness, and when I'm feeling well again, I can just press the I am well button. The last section shows you how many shifts and days off you have booked for the future. From the menu on the top left corner, I can open the shifts page. This shows me my future schedule. It shows me the times and the places where I need to be. The job offers page shows me if there are any shifts that I can take on. If I want a shift, I tap the green button. If I don't want it, I tap the red one. The availability calendar lets me set my availability. I tap a day to change it from white to red, which means unavailable, to green, which means I wish to work on that day. And tap it again back to white. Your employer may use different colors, meaning different things. Right underneath the calendar, you'll see a legend telling you what color means what. Once you're done with your changes, remember to press the button on the top right corner to save. Lastly, we offer internet-based chat directly with your employer. Use this page to send and view messages. Keep in mind that these conversations are not private, so don't reveal anything personal like passwords. And that's it for today. I hope you had a great time learning about our mobile app, and I hope to see you next time.